welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Now, I do not want to be a Debbie Downer. Negative Nancy, whatever you want to call it. But this subscription that I am about to open will be the first and only time you see this on my channel. This is the social subscription. There have been a few other videos floating around, and I definitely think that this subscription is a waste of money. So, I'm making this video to save you guys the trouble or the headache, whatever the case may be. Do not waste your money. In fact, I don't even know if you can, because I believe that they have taken down some of the ways to sign up. Now, their Facebook page was still active, and I was able to get some screenshots of what they show their boxes being. Not at all what I have seen unboxed. So, I will be putting those in here in this video in a little bit. Now, I only did the mini mailer. They have two options. You can get the box that is supposed to have like 5 items for $30, or you could get the mini for $12. I went with the mini because I was like, I'm not too sure. Let me see what this is about. I'm glad that I only spent $12 because I don't know what's going to be in here. But any combination of the other items that I have seen, I still don't think is worth $12. And I definitely do not think that the 5 items in any way, shape, or form is worth $30. So I will show you guys what is in here. I'm going to open it, show you. We'll talk about it. And then I'll show you those screenshots. And you let me know what you think of the difference. So I'm going to open this and see. This is for April 2019. But yeah, I do also find it kind of funny that, well, I just had to rip this. Okay, I know one of the products already. So I do find it kind of funny that like their website and stuff has gone down, and it's, I don't know, it just seems a little fishy to me. So I definitely wanted to make the video and share with you guys so that you, if it is still an option to sign up, that you do not waste your money. But let's okay. All right. Hashtag social girl. Meet your April box. And then it says, got a sec, share a pic on Instagram or Facebook and tag us for a chance to be featured on our account. Do you see my card? It's like all beat up and this issue. All right. Also, this subscription, this is the thing. This subscription claims to send on-trend items that are featured all over social media. Hence, social subscription. So, when you think of things that you have seen that are on trend on social media, that's what we're supposed to be getting in here. So, let's just dive in. And the first thing I'm pulling out is has hair on it. Minute Mug Cake Mix Celebration Confetti. It is organic, which, okay. But, you guys, these are like $1. Now, I am curious. Alright, so it looks like it's good through 2020, so it's not expired. But I don't know that I've seen this as a trending item on social media. I mean, that's just me. So, there's that. And then hold on, as I pull it out, there's a thank you card. Thanks so much for becoming a hashtag social girl. We hope you love your first box. XOXO social. No. This is the next item that you can clearly see is like leaking. I can smell it. It is a Java Junkie body buff. I can smell it. It is coffee. That is clearly what probably leaked onto this card. This is going to get thrown away. I'm not going to use this. This is, I mean, just touching the bag, my hands smell like coffee grounds. So I can't even imagine how messy this must be. And I get that, yes, body scrubs are in. Coffee is in. Coffee body scrubs are in. But could you not figure out a way to make it not so messy? I mean, I'm just saying. Like I said, I'm not trying to be a negative Nancy, but I do want to give you guys my true opinion and let you know, I did pay for this, but even if I had not paid for it, I'm going to give you my 100% honest opinion on something, because if I can save you from wasting your money, I am going to do that. And I just don't think that this... I have no words. So, the next item in here are these earrings that you can tell are just cut, and not even evenly cut. The backs are like bent and not, I mean, they're cute, but where'd they come from? What brand are they? What, why are they bent? I mean, you can't tell me a brand or anything. I mean, and the card just says pastel colors and drop earrings are so in, girl. Well, yeah, pastel colors are in. It's springtime and it was just Easter. So yeah, pastels are in. And I get that, yes, earrings like this are in, but where did they come from? Are they hypoallergenic? Are they nickel free? Or can I have any more information on that than just their earrings on this pink cut up card? I don't know, y'all. Am I overthinking it? Am I just, not... Am I being too hard on them? I don't know. I just think it is an absolute waste of money. I mean, like I said, earrings that we have no information about. Like I said, no brand, no nothing, no price, no information. Like I said, are they hypoallergenic or anything other than just on this cut up piece of pink paper and bent backs. So it's like, I don't even know if you could wear them. I don't even know if I would want to wear them. This I know was no more than $1. This minute mug cake mix. Okay. Like, this is probably the most legit item in the bag. Because we have a brand, we have a date as far as expiration. But I know these sell for $1. And I definitely don't think these are trending on social media. And then this body scrub that is gonna literally just go straight into the trash because it is just leaking everywhere. I mean, as you can see, it even got on the card. That's all been... The presentation here is not great either, as far as, can you package things a little bit better so that my card's not destroyed and stained. I mean, Ipsy sends a card in the same type of mailer bag, but it doesn't show up like this. Bent up and... Sorry. I'm just frustrated because I just hope that no one else was suckered into this. You know, I know of a few people that were, unfortunately, but please, buyer beware. Do not sign up for the subscription if it is even still an option. I know that a lot of their stuff came down, and I don't know if you could even still sign up, but if you can, do not. So I'm not even going to put a link to their site because I do not recommend this at all, and I'm not going to promote this in any way, shape, or form. If you choose, if you think these are items that you would like, it is social subscription. You know, you can look them up, but I am not even putting a link because I don't think, like I said, I'm not even promoting this in any way. And like I said, I'm sorry to be so negative about this. I try to always be open and honest with you guys, and this just was a big fail for me. Like, a big fail. So, let me know what you think down below. Don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on, and you do want to enter that if you have not already. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and again, I apologize for the negative review, but I'm going to always be honest with you guys because, like I said, if I can save you guys from signing up for something and wasting your money, I absolutely will. I do not want to have any of you be disappointed. So I hope this helped and hope to save some of you guys. If you were on the fence about the subscription, do not get it. That's just my opinion. So I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.